Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
The distance around a circle is its circumference. A distance around a circle, perimeter of the circle is called the circumference of the circle. Right? This gives a very interesting idea. So you can lots of time from the time circles came into being, lots of shapes are circular naturally. And so human beings have been fascinated in trying to understand the circle. So how do you understand the circle? We wanted to find the link between metrics in a circle. So suppose you have a naturally occurring square. You want to know, I always have a square like this. I can define the square as ABCD. I'm wondering, if I join BD, will there be a standard ratio always between BD and BC? So I'm trying to figure that out. In a circle, the standard metrics, one is the radius, other is the circumference of a circle. Right? So if I'm given the circumference, can I get the radius? What is the link between radius, or better still, the diameter and circumference? So human beings tried a lot of ways of finding this ratio. It looked very clearly from very early on that circumference by diameter was a constant for any circle. Circumference and diameter are linked. So any circle you take, the ratio of circumference to diameter was always the same. It looked like that, it seemed like that, it appeared like that, and it probably was true. Was how probably the first a lot of human beings thought of. And then there was extraordinary fascination to find what this constant was. So I can have a wheel, I can have the sun looked at from a faraway place, I can have a circle drawn on a diagram on a sheet of paper, I can have people stand around a beautiful round circle. Whatever size I decided for the circle, the ratio of the circumference of that circle to its diameter would be the same. So it's a beautifully defined shape. So we wanted to know what that ratio was. So find what that ratio is. Write down. You all know how to search in Google or ask people, what is the ratio between circumference and diameter of any circle? That simple idea led to a lot of research, and that one ratio is one of the most fascinating numbers in all of mathematics. So find out what that ratio is and why that ratio is special. Right?